In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay a red light ticket online in Chicago. To get started, open your web browser and go to the official City of Chicago Parking, Red Light, and Speed Enforcement Ticket portal. It's important to use the official city website so your payment is processed securely and your citation details are accurate. Once you're on the site, look for the option to pay, check status, or search for parking, red light, and automated speed enforcement tickets. From there, continue to the secure payment site, sometimes referred to as the city's payment portal. This is where you'll look up your violation and complete the payment. Make sure you have your citation information ready before you begin, because that will make the process much faster and smoother. On the search page, enter the information needed to find your ticket. You can typically search using the ticket number, your license plate number, or your driver's license number. Use whichever option you have available, then submit the search. If the details are entered correctly, the system should pull up your citation information for review. Next, select the red light ticket you want to pay. Take a moment here to confirm that you've chosen the correct citation. It's a good idea to review the details shown on the page, such as the violation information and the amount due before moving forward. This helps prevent mistakes and ensures you're paying the right ticket. Once you've confirmed the citation, enter your payment information. The portal generally accepts major credit and debit cards, and in some cases, you may also be able to pay using an electronic check. Carefully type in your payment details exactly as requested. Before submitting, double-check everything, especially the amount and billing information, to avoid delays or payment errors. When everything looks correct, submit the payment. After the transaction is completed, you should receive a digital receipt. Be sure to save or download that receipt for your records. It can be helpful if you need proof of payment later or want to confirm that the transaction went through successfully. One more thing to keep in mind is that the city's citation system may also let you review ticket status, contest a citation, or check available photo and video evidence related to the violation. So if you're not ready to pay right away, those options may also be available through the same general portal. And if you'd rather not pay online, the City of Chicago may also offer payment by mail, in person at designated payment centers, or through easy pay stations. That's how to pay a red light ticket online in Chicago.